Greetings, fellow observers of human interactions and curious minds. Welcome back, relationship. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic, decoding the signs a woman is checking you out. In the world of nonverbal communication, there's a rich tapestry of signals that often go unnoticed. But before we unveil these intriguing signs, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you're always in the loop with our enlightening content. Let's sharpen your observational skill. The hidden signs of attraction. Are you ready to become a master of reading subtle cues that reveal a woman's interest? Let's explore these 30 intriguing signs that can help you understand when someone is checking you out. Section 1: Facial Expressions. Sign 1: Prolonged eye contact. When someone is interested, their gaze lingers on you. Pay attention to those moments when her eyes meet yours and stay there just a little longer. Sign 2: Smiles and smirks. A genuine smile or a playful smirk can indicate attraction. Watch for subtle changes in her facial expression. Sign 3: Raised eyebrows. An eyebrow raise can convey curiosity and interest. If you notice her raise her eyebrows while looking at you, it's a positive sign. Sign 4: Lip biting or licking. This can be an unconscious response to attraction. If she does this while in your presence, it's worth noting. Sign 5: Flared nostrils. When someone is checking you out, their nostrils can subtly flare as they take in your scent. It's a primitive but telling sign. Section 2: Body language. Sign 6: Mirroring your movement. If she unconsciously mimics your gestures and posture, it's a subconscious attempt to connect. Sign 7: Playing with hair. Twirling or running fingers through her hair can be a sign of nervous attraction. Sign 8: Leaning in. When someone is interested, they may lean in closer to you during the conversation, showing they want to be near. Sign 9: Touching her face or neck. Lightly touching her face or neck can be a sign of self-consciousness and attraction. Sign 10: Pointing her feet towards you. The direction of her feet can reveal where her interest lies. If they're pointed in your direction, it's a positive sign. Section 3: Verbal cues. Sign 11: She initiates conversation. If she frequently starts conversations or finds reasons to talk to you, it's a clear indicator of interest. Sign 12: Compliments you frequently. Compliments, especially those about your appearance or personality, can Sign 13: Teasing or light. Playful teasing or joking around is often a way to create a connection and gauge your response. Sign 14: Engages in deep. If she's eager to have meaningful discussions and share personal thoughts, it's a sign of a deeper connection. Sign 15: She remembers small. When she remembers and brings up small details from previous conversations, it shows she's attentive and interested. Section 4: Social interaction. Sign 16: She introduces you to. Inviting you to meet her friends is a way of integrating you into her social circle. Sign 17: Her friends act. Sometimes, her friends may give away her interest through their behavior when you're around. Sign 18: She tries to create opportunities to be near. She might find excuses to be close to you in social settings, like standing or sitting nearby. Sign 19: Engages in play. Light touches on the arm or shoulder can be a way to initiate physical contact and gauge your response. Sign 20: She finds reasons to stay longer. Even after the initial interaction is over, she may linger or find reasons to extend the time you spend together. Section 5: Digital signals. Sign 21: She initiates. If she often starts texting conversations or responds quickly, it's a sign of active interest. Sign 22, emojis and look for playful emojis and flirty language in her texts, as they can reveal her feelings. Sign 23, she follows you on social media. Connecting with you on social platforms is a modern way to show interest and stay in touch. Sign 24, she likes or comments on your posts. Frequent engagement with your social media content is a sign that she's keeping up with your life. Sign 25, she shares sharing anecdotes or personal stories, especially those related conversations, shows she's in. And there you have it, 30 subtle signs a woman is checking you out. These cues, often unnoticed, can help you navigate the intricate world of attraction. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might appreciate these insights. And, of course, subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have thoughts or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights, and until next time, may you be more attuned to the subtle signals of attraction. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you soon.